diesel from one flat tank into the upright tank so they can mix it. So that'll be what we're doing this morning. I'm going to show you how we hook it up and how you ground it. Got my jacket. You always want to make sure you ground. Always ground. I'm going to turn our pump pulling. Especially with fuel, you want to make sure it's just, you know, it's flammable. I may need to pull up a little further, but we're going to close this valve back here. All right. Now we're going to take and open up this fuel door. I've already done it once, so I know everything's in place. We're going to pull from that opening right there. And we're doing 80 barrels. Grab our hose, and it's a 2-inch hose or 2-inch line that we're pulling from, so it takes a lot longer. Yeah, we can reach that. And tap it, and we're gonna hook it up. All right, then what you want to do is open this valve here. Alright, you want to check to make sure there's no leaks or anything. This pad absorbs oil and diesel, so you always want to have one below. We'll go open up our, we'll go connect our ground. I should have pulled up a little bit closer, but it's okay. There's a ground over here. We're going to hook right into the ground right here. You see it right here? I'm going to connect right here. Now we're grounded. Fix our cable. And then we'll go ahead and open our valve and let it start pulling. It takes a lot longer. Like I said, it's a smaller line. We'll open it real slow. You look at it, make sure it's light glass. You can see the diesel coming in. You can feel it moving. So what I always do is I come back over here and check. Make sure nothing's leaking. Everything looks good. And if you see that red tube with the clear top, that shows how much fuel is in this big white tank. I'll show you the white tank. So this is the big white tank. This is what they use as a fuel point here. And then they fill the other small stuff with it. But yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Open the valve. Watch the diesel. You always want to stand outside with it because you don't want to spill any diesel. You don't want to spill anything, but oil or diesel they get really upset about. So we saw the back, check the ground, we're good. All right, I'm gonna grab my jacket and stand out back. You got to stand outside the whole time while you're doing this. So all right, that's it for the transferring diesel.